everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to wash our car and this is my chacha's car, and today we both gonna wash the car with the help of this device. So for that, first we need to fill the tub with the water, and with the help of vacuum it use it as a jet spray to wash the car. So let's see how it works. At first it ain't gonna work unless the tub is filled with the water, so let's wait for that. While the tub is filling with water, let us discuss about the device we are using here. So the name of the device is Darson High Pressure Car Washer, and it is of 3700 rupees on Amazon. Finally the tub is full and it's finally working, and you can see the pressure of the jet. It is really high and it makes the dust comes off really easily. Missing someone with all your missing someone. As you can see, the car is half washed, like the dust is almost gone, and we just need to wipe it off with a cloth for just the finishing. But look at the weather, guys, and also the sky is skying and the cloud is clouding, and even the trees are looking so beautiful. Just realizing car washing can be so much fun. If you're watching this video right now, can you tell me about your car washing schedule? And like, how often do you wash your car, and at what day, and at what time, and how much time does it take to wash your car? Do you use this device or do you not? Just comment down in the comment section. It would be really great to interact with you all. You can see how my chacha is so tall, he doesn't need a stool to wipe the roof of the car, right? Easily doing it without any help. Can anyone guess his height? Comment down in the comment section. Now it's time to shampoo the car, and the shampoo is of 200 rupees if you go to buy it in a shop, but on Meesho its price is 425 rupees. So let's shampoo the car. We need to fill that plastic bottle on the below of the device with the shampoo. washing it off last time with the water to rinse off all the soapy water, and it will take few minutes. This is how you can also use this jet spray to wash off all the soapy water that was on your floor to prevent from slipping. This was all for today. So bye everyone, and hope you have a great day ahead. And thank you for watching it till the end. Subscribe and share, and keep watching for more. Love you. Bye.